guys, my name is Milan Patel. I'm currently pursuing my Masters in Health and Exercise Science at University of Houston, Clear Lake. In this video, I will discuss about phases, benefits, indication and contraindication of the plyometrics. Plyometric exercise are characterized by an eccentric contraction immediately followed by strong and powerful concentric contraction of the muscle. Plyometrics involve power jumping, repetitive bounding, and quick force production. Plyometrics are ideal for athletes and people who are looking to improve their muscular strength, power, and speed.
Phases of plyometrics. There are three phases of plyometrics. First, eccentric or loading phase. Second, amortization phase or transition phase. Third is concentric phase or unloading phase. In this video, I will use a squat jump as an example to explain each phase. Eccentric phase. To begin a squat jump, the first thing an athlete has to do is load his muscles, and he does this by squatting down prior to actually jumping up. It will generate and temporarily stores potential energy in the muscles which are about to be used for the jump. You can visualize stretching out a rubber band. To understand, you can feel all the energy about to explode when you let it go. Amortization phase. Amortization phase occurs just right at the bottom of the loading phase and right before the jump or unloading phase. It's a very brief moment of pause which can be seen at the bottom point of the loading phase. The quick pause comes from the electromechanical delay in which the muscles transition from overcoming the force to produce force in the intended direction. Ed McNeely suggests that if the amortization phase is too long, the stretch reflex is lost and therefore no plyometric effect will be seen. Concentric or unloading phase. In concentric phase, the elastic energy stored in the loading phase and redirected in the amortization phase is released. To understand this, visualize letting go of the rubber band which you stretched out earlier. This phase is explosive, and the more you train with the plyometrics, the more explosive it will become. Benefits of plyometrics. There are several benefits of plyometrics, like it strengthens fast twitch fibers in the muscles. It also increases the strength of tendons by placing stress on them in controlled settings, which means there are lesser injuries possible with plyometric trainings. It also boosts the efficiency of the neuromuscular system. It develops your abilities in other exercises and sports. No equipments are needed for certain plyometrics exercises like squat jump. It also helps to enhance reaction time and balance ability. Plyometrics can be useful in weight loss because it burns more calories.
There are several indications of plyometrics training. It helps in injury prevention and pre-season muscle soreness. It also helps in improving muscle strength, power, stability, agility, balance, cardiovascular fitness, and overall fitness. However, there are several contraindications of plyometric training. It cannot be performed in several conditions like acute inflammation or pain, immediate post-operative status, joint instability, strains, and sprains of the joints.